Is my name. I'm the Operations and Technical Lead at the site here in Carlow. MSD in Carlow are a drug product fill finish facility where we make products for both vaccines and biologics. MSD is a really exciting company and is going through a massive growth phase at this point in time. We have a fantastic portfolio of products that span immuno-oncology products as well as vaccines that have been around forever, but there's actually also new vaccines also that have come. So it's a great opportunity for new and young people coming out of college who will get the opportunity to work on these really exciting products and will get to learn all about the tech transfers and bringing to commercialisation these new and innovative products.
My name is Alison Cobain. I'm a Quality Assurance Specialist at MSD Carlow. So MSD helps people grow their career through further education. In my own experience, MSD sponsored me to attain my QP qualification from Trinity College Dublin.
My name is Caroline O'Connor. I'm HR Business Partner in MSD Carlow. What makes for a great MSD Carlow employee is somebody who's really passionate about what they do, who enjoys working with other people, who is very standards driven, has high professional standards, but also enjoys a very fast-paced environment that changes day to day, where there's also a bit of fun to be had on a daily basis.